Hello, welcome to a short presentation of Mr. Mulligan's economics course. I wish we were together in person for an open house, but due to the COVID closure, we're not able to do that. But hopefully in this 5-minute video, you can get a good understanding of what your student is doing in economics this spring semester. And at the end of the presentation, you'll have opportunity to see different ways you can connect to me or to the class. I'm going to give a short overview of what we are covering. First of all, this semester we'll be covering how money works in the United States. Specifically, instruction will be provided on how our economy works, the history of money. We'll look at market economies and making money, using money, credit, taxes, employment, buying a car, renting an apartment, and buying a home. This class is designed so that students can have a fundamental understanding of how money works in the world they will be living in. We will use PowerPoint presentations in class, and students will be taking extensive notes. Most of what we do is taking notes every day. They write down what's on the screen. They put it into their notebook, and then they're able to use that notebook on their test. We will have multiple tests during the semester and quizzes. These will be given each month, and students, again, will be able to use their notes on the assessments. And I don't give them anything that they have not seen already in their notes. They can look at their notes directly as their IEP indicates, and it's designed to provide the maximum amount of success for your student. This class supports IEP goals, services, and graduation requirements. Let's go on to the next screen. Specifically, this course fulfills the senior year economics course requirement. Your student is required to take 4 years of social studies, and in their last year, they take a U.S. government and economics. If students have not taken U.S. government, that would be the next course, but most students, if not all in this class, have already taken the fall semester of U.S. government, and this is their final semester to meet their social science requirement. You can learn more about this course and how it fits within the graduation requirements by contacting either me directly as a class teacher. You can also contact your student's case manager, or you can consult the Student Academic Handbook, which is available online or available in paper copy as well. Currently, students are working on a unit that's focused on taxes. Since this is tax season, we give a lot of attention. Let me go back to that. We give a lot of attention to taxes and how they work. We'll be discussing income taxes, state taxes, sales taxes, and how each of these taxes relate to their life. Next month, students will be working on employment issues related to types of jobs, taxes again, and the tax forms they fill out when they get a job, and how to understand those tax forms. We'll be looking at minimum wage and minimum wage laws and how that affects your student. We'll be looking at insurance and other employment benefits. In May, we will be discussing renting apartments, owning homes, buying an automobile, and other related expenses. This year, I've been working with students on Zoom. We have a lecture and note format, which I described earlier. This allows students to simply listen to and copy what is presented on their screen. Students can receive assistance with tests, making up missing notes, or receiving other support through what is called our office hours session. Students are also able to contact me through phone, email, or Zoom call to receive assistance. If you'd like to contact me directly, my email address is jmulligan@smuhsd.org. If you'd like to simply see more of the contents of this class, you can click on the link below, and that will take you directly to my Canvas course. Just as we close this short session, this is a very practical class. We do not spend a lot of time with economic theory, though that is part of some of the coursework, but mainly we're talking about economics and how it affects the decisions your teenager will be making, not only now, if they have a job especially, but in the next few years, as they may consider buying a car or renting an apartment. The reality of taxes, just how our economy works and how they can be successful within this economy. The class is designed to be helpful. And if you have any questions about the class or you would like more information, I would be glad to talk to you. Thank you so much for your time to watch this video. Appreciate it.